Hey guys, happy end of February. I'm really enjoying this nice warm weather that's been sprinkled in here and there. So a few major stories. So if you've been following this newsletter consistently, we track mortgage rates pretty consistently. Mortgage rates are coming up into the 4% range. Previously last month they were around 3.5%. Now they're hovering in and around 4%, a little bit below, a little bit higher. So we're going to keep monitoring that. We expect rates to continue to go up. But the situation in Ukraine, we think a lot of investors will go towards securities. And when people buy more securities, generally speaking, the mortgage rate goes down. So we'll have to see what happens there. But generally speaking, we expect mortgage rates to continue to go up. And something to monitor, particularly if you're buying a house, if you're looking to buy, probably the best idea just to lock in a low rate before it goes any higher than it already is. The second thing is Zillow, and we've been tracking Zillow pretty consistently as well. Zillow recently released their earnings report, and it turns out they lost $800 million, over $800 million on their home flipping business. So there's a couple takeaways here. One is it's a distraction from their core business model. Zillow's great at technology, websites, apps, just sending out data on that mass scale. But every time they've come into the space of buying houses, flipping houses, all like the nitty-gritty boots on the ground, they've lost money. So it's kind of a key, and kind of encouraging for us as real estate investors and real estate professionals, because you really need a combination of technology, people, local knowledge to really be successful. You can't just buy a bunch of houses just because you have a big name and millions of dollars of venture capital money and expect to be successful. It doesn't work that way. Now, I will say technology does have its place. An agent like myself does use technology, but you can't just rely solely on technology in this business, and the results kind of speak for themselves. Now, the last thing is tax season, everybody's favorite type of season, right? Tax season is approaching, and we want to make sure that you're taking advantage of every single write-off that's available to you. So we actually have a checklist. If you're interested, we're happy to provide to your accountant just to make sure that you're getting all the write-offs that are available to you, because you'd be surprised how many accountants don't have a checklist and then you lose money. It's really good just to review this with them and just make sure that you're taking advantage of every dollar that you could be saving. So let us know if you have any questions. Spring market is rapidly approaching. If you have a game plan in place, or if you want a game plan for preparing to sell your home, we're happy to consult with you. Just reply back to this email, and obviously let me know if you have any questions. Hope you have a great upcoming spring. And as always, let me know if you have any questions.